Hello. Today we will solve some more differentials, derivatives, to practice to improve our differentiation skills. So the first question is, we have to find the derivative of this function x under the root x squared plus 1 divided by under the root x squared minus 1. So I'm going to take the derivative of this. So it's very simple. First, what I'm going to do, what I've done here is, I've taken this power and I've taken it outside, so I can easily use the power rule. So that's exactly what I do here. D over dx, x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 1 raised to the power 1 by 2. So by using the power formula, it's very simple. We know that derivative of a function raised to some power is equal to power and power minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2, as I have done here, and the derivative of function inside the power. So the derivative of x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. So I'm going to solve here. 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by x squared plus minus 1 under the root, and under the root x squared plus 1. Now, as you can notice here, these expressions have been inverted because the power sign was negative. So I can take this x squared minus 1 in the numerator and this x squared plus 1 in the denominator, and the rest is very simple. And the derivative of x squared plus 1 is 2x, and the function in the denominator simply multiplies, and in the second term again the derivative of x squared minus 1 is 2x, and the minus sign is from the quotient formula, and multiplied by the numerator and divided by x squared minus 1 whole squared. So I'm going to simplify it. The simplification is very simple. I've taken this 2x common and 2x common, and the rest of the expression becomes x squared minus 1, this minus x squared minus 1. So this x squared cancels out with this one, and this 2 cancels out with this one, and simplifying further, under the root x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus 1 multiplied by minus 2, because this minus 1 and minus 1 adds up to minus 2 divided by x squared minus 1 whole square. So I'm going to simplify it further. X squared minus 1 raised to the power 1 by 2, this minus 2, because this will when this power goes in the numerator, sign will change, so it becomes minus 2 divided by x squared plus 1 under the root multiplied by minus 2 is equal to x squared minus 1 minus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 1 raised to the power minus 3 by 4 divided by x squared plus 1. So this final expression is minus 2 divided by x squared plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 1 raised to the power 3 by 4. So that's the solution of this derivative.